Dad.
Hey, son, come on in.
Oh, how you doing?
I'm doing good. How about you?
All right, just all packed up, ready to hit the road and leaving for college today. And I just wanted to stop by and let you know that I'm taking off now because all my bags are packed and got a long road ahead of me. I want to see you before I go.
Thank you, son, for stopping by and letting me know. I mean, I know that's a long road for you. It's about a 3-hour drive. The road's not the best in the world. It's got, rough spots and whatnot. You've driven it before, so you kind of know, but just take your time getting there and let me know when you get there. Give me a call.
Oh, yeah. Last time I did it was pretty scary, but when I get there, I'll let you know. And I'm just going to cruise, put on cruise and just listen to some music, you know what I mean? But I'll let you know when I get there for sure. I don't want you to worry. But it was good to see you, Dad, and I'll see you later, all right?
Later, son. Ben?